Paul Toms, I'm the president of Letter Carriers in Indianapolis. I'm here to talk about two important things. One, I'd like to make the point, you started off with all the entitlements. I do not like that. I think that's a misrepresentation. I put money into an account for 40 years.
Yep.
It's not an entitlement for me to get that back out. I had a contract to do that. And there are entitlement programs in there. Social Security didn't start out to pay for people going to college because a parent died or something. I have sympathy. My sister was killed, and I have a niece and a nephew that got some of that Social Security money. Those are entitlements. And, you know, those are the kind of things I think we need to take care of. President Reagan did stop some of that. But for people to work 40, 45 years and then to have Congress say that it's an entitlement to get that money back is a travesty. And the thing I'd say there is the partisan politics has to stop.
Right.
And this is, you know, us Democrats are not as liberal as y'all think. We want you to be in Congress and represent our interests at home and the entire country and fix this mess we're in.
Okay, you've got two questions there. Is there a third one? Real quick, because I want to answer all of them for you.
The third one is the important thing that the letter carriers in Indiana and America are pushing for is 1351, which is to fix the problem at the post office and to correct the misrepresentation that is out there. Representative Issa from California is presenting this as a bailout for the Postal Service. We're taking money that was put in there that's pre-funded, overfunded in the $50 to $150 billion.
Okay, well,
it is not a bailout.
You had some of your representatives there at our town meeting last night. I did talk to them about it. I think it was that gentleman back there in the back. Let me just say that I told him last night, I've got a copy of the letter that I sent you. I told you last night I'd get the letter and I read it. I will go over that bill from stem to stern. I'm going to read it. I'm going to look at all the ramifications, and then I'll decide whether or not I can sign on. I know you got 181 people that's on the bill, and I'll be glad to look at it. If it's everything that I think it is, I can support it. But I got to